Good morning, students. So children, are you all ready for your EVS lesson? Shall we start? Okay, so again today we are going to do the exercise of lesson number 10. But before that, let's quickly revise the whole chapter. Okay, what we have seen? Plant I see. You all know plants, they are our green friends because they are useful to us in many ways. And we see them all around us. Now plants, they are of 5 kinds as we have seen. First, trees, then shrubs, third, herbs, fourth, climbers, and fifth, creepers. Now let's see some examples of trees. Mango, coconut tree, banana. Then shrubs, rose, henna, sunflower, jasmine. Herbs, spinach, mint, basil, rosemary, parsley. Then in climbers we have grapevine, pea plant, money plant. Now the example of creepers are melon, gourd, pumpkin. Now what is a tree? Trees. Big plants, they are called trees. Shrubs. Plants smaller than trees are called shrubs, and they look like bushes also. Then herbs. Small plants that are soft, they are called herbs. Then climbers. Weak plants that need support to grow upward are called climbers. Then creepers. Plants that grow along the ground around another plant are called creepers. Now children, come to the other part of the chapter, that is what do we get from plants. Now the next thing about this lesson is the things we get from plants. Number 1, food items. We get food items from plant, and food items like fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. Then second, clothes. We also get clothes from plant, and that is cotton plant. Number 3, perfumes. Again perfume we get from plant only, and that is rose, jasmine, sandalwood. Then rubber also from plant, rubber plant. And we make many things from rubber like tires, eraser. Then number 5th, we get medicine, and medicine from which plant? Tulsi, mint, and neem. Then last is oil. We get oil from coconut plant, mustard plant, groundnut plant. Now children, come to the exercise worksheet that you have to do it in your EVS notebook. A, fill in the blanks. 1. Big plants are called dash. TREES, trees. Number 2, dash look like bushes. What look like bushes? Shrubs. SHRUBS. Number 3, dash plant give us cotton. Which plant? Cotton plant. COTTON. 4, melon is a creeper. CREEPER. Now B, write true for T for true and F for false. 1, all plants are of the same size. False. Then trees have thick and strong woody stem. True. We get perfume from animals. False. We get rubber from rubber plant. True. Now C, tick the correct answer. 1, shrubs look like A, bushes, B, vegetable. So your answer is bushes, A. Tick A. Second, B, pea plant is an example of herbs, climbers. Climbers, your answer is climbers, B. So you will going to tick B. Come to page 2. D, name any 2 of the following. Number 1, trees. Any 2 trees. Okay, mango, banana. Then shrubs, any 2 shrubs. Rose, henna. Climbers, pea plant, money plant. E, give one word answer. First, weak plants that need support to grow upwards. Climbers. 2. Big plants are called trees. Number 3, small plants that are soft are called, your answer is herbs. Now F. Here children, draw and color one of each. Fruit, one fruit, vegetable, one vegetable. So you are having your EVS copy, okay, the side which is plain side on the left hand side. On that page you have to draw the two diagram, fruit and vegetable. One fruit, one vegetable. Now G, in book you have to do page number 53 and 54. Now with me, take out all of you page number 53. So this is page 53. Now the exercises which are in page number 53 and 54, those exercises you have to do in book only. Now exercise A. Take the correct answer. 1. Herbs are A. Small plant, big plant. They are small plants, so you will going to take A. Second, banyan tree is a small plant, big plant, big plant. 3. Melon is a creeper, big plant, creeper. Now question number 4. Weak plants that grow and stand with the support of other plants are called herbs or climber, climbers. So you have to take option B. 5th, tulsi and neem are medicinal plant or creepers. So they are medicinal plants. You are going to take option A. Now B. Answer the following questions here. What do we get from plants? We get food items, clothes, perfume, medicine, oil and rubber from plants. Then second, which plant gives us oil? Write two names. Coconut plant and mustard plant give us oil. 3. Which plant give us perfume? Write two names. Rose and jasmine give us perfume. Now come to page 54. Now page 54, question 4. Which are medicinal plant? Write two names. Tulsi and neem are medicinal plants. 5th, what do we make from rubber? Write the names of two items. We make eraser and tire from rubber. Now C, you have to identify the following leaves and you have to write their names. You have to see the leaf of which tree. Okay, so first is the banana leaf. Second is the date leaf. We also call palm leaves. Then third is peepal leaf. Now in this activity next, you have to paste pictures. Okay, though here it is written you have to collect flowers and keep them in books, let them dry. Not this one, I've just cut it. Okay, this part. What you have to do, you have to paste pictures of any 3 flowers and write their names. So children, this was your homework. Okay, so now again we'll be meeting tomorrow. Take care children. Goodbye. Be good. Bye.